perfect smile can seem like a daunting challenge, finding the right dentist, finding the right product. If you traveled the world in search of a dentist with the most experience with Lumineers smile makeovers, you would end up right back here in the Houston area. Why? Well, please welcome the world's leading Lumineer dentist from Made You Smile Dental, Dr. Michael Kessner. Also joining him is Donna Zimmer, who is one of his patients. Well, hello there.
Hello.
If we traveled the world, we'd come right back to you.
Yeah, you'd be right back here in Houston.
All right. In fact, you're so good at this that you actually teach others how to do it.
Yeah, I teach dentists around the country how to place Lumineers.
Okay, we're going to talk about what Lumineers are in a second, but first I want to get to you, Donna. What was it about your teeth that just bugged you? Because, you know, we see it every morning. We look in the mirror.
That's right. Yeah, every day, and they were crooked. I'd worn braces before, and they had moved, and then I always wanted white teeth, and I tried over-the-counter stuff, and it always turned colors if you had tea or coffee.
Yeah.
And this is awesome. Yeah, it's
so
really blessing.
You tried the bleaching trays, all that type of stuff, which can be effective, but the point is you have to keep doing it.
That's right.
All right. Okay, so there's various things, options that she could have had. And, you know, veneers, all that type of stuff. What are Lumineers and what makes them different?
Well, Lumineers are real thin porcelain that we bond to the front of the teeth. So it allows us to do that without having to give you shots, grind your teeth down, and it's a permanently white smile. So we can enjoy that red wine over there in any one effect.
And they're never going to color.
Right.
Okay, so we're taking a look at some of the transformations that you've made, because those Lumineers can be done for a number of reasons, whether you're just trying to get a brighter color to your teeth. But I think the other thing that's really important to a lot of people, as you mentioned, your teeth had gotten crooked even after braces, is that, oh, this is you.
That's me.
Yeah, I'm not only I'm not only a doctor, I'm a patient too. Okay, so you can correct a number of issues.
Right, crooked teeth, spaces in your teeth, make your teeth whiter, of course. So it's a great option for people. Yeah,
and I think that one of the things that a lot of people love to hear is most of the time you can make these corrections without doing the grinding down the teeth, which is typical with a lot of veneers, and not the shots, not the crazy stuff. And so completely painless for you?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, from the start to the finish. They make you feel really, really comfortable, and I wanted to do it, and I was blessed to find Dr. Kessner.
Yeah, all right.
They're really, really good.
And the other thing is timing. You don't have to invest a whole lot of time in getting it done. So take us through the process. You come in, and the first thing you got to figure out is if you're a candidate for Lumineers.
Yeah, and after we figure that out, then it's impressions of the teeth, pictures, and then we send that off, and the Lumineers are made in California, and they come back. It takes about an hour to put them on. So in 2 weeks, you can have a perfectly white, straight smile.
Yeah. And what's the durability?
They've been around for actually 23 years. So they're the longest study on the market of veneers. You can expect to get 10 to 15 years at least out of them, probably more.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. Okay. So when you first saw them on, all of a sudden, were you just like stoked?
I could not stop smiling. I loved it. Yeah. I kept looking and looking, and every time I had coffee or anything, I'd ask, "Are you sure they're still white?" I asked the ladies. I said, "You can tell me if they're really not going to stay white. I won't drink coffee or tea or anything like that."
Yeah. She's the one during a sad movie going, "Oh, isn't that sad? That's so sad."
Yeah.
I think
that's right.
You know what you do is, you know, we can say this is just a cosmetic thing. I mean, you are fine as a human being without the whiter teeth. People are fine with gaps and crooked teeth and the whole bit. But it's amazing what you see in a patient when their smile is right. Sometimes I think we underestimate what it is, but we've talked to several people who it really holds them back.
Yeah, some people are afraid to smile. Really affects your self-esteem. It's always funny when we take before and after pictures. The after picture is always, new hair, new makeup, and everything. It just totally changes the way you feel about yourself.
Yeah, and it impacts them by people going into job interviews, people dating even, that they would hold back from those things because they didn't feel like, and people would make misjudgments about somebody because of how their teeth looked. But this way, it restores some confidence. Yeah, you can see she's got a little extra lipstick and her hair is done. But very, very cool. And again, that kind of that thin porcelain there that can just make all the difference in the world. Durable, doesn't change in color, so you just get your whole smile that you always wanted, your dream smile, really.
Yeah, it's a great option.
All right. Well, Dr. Kessner has a special offer. New patients get a free exam, x-rays, and consultation. Made You Smile also offers free teeth whitening with a regular cleaning, exam, and x-rays. And make sure you ask about whitening for life for just $99. Oh, that's cool. So, for somebody who just needs to come in every now and then to get their teeth brighter. can do that versus the Lumineers. Plus, Dr. Kestner's patients get a free digital smile makeover as well. If you are interested in finding out more about Lumineers or Dr. Kestner, check him out on the web at madeyousmile.com or call the office at 281-265-1111, 281-265-1111, and get the smile that you've always wanted. Thank you.
Thank you.